If you've ever been driving and suddenly saw the check gauge's light pop up on your dashboard, it probably made your heart skip a beat. Don't worry, it doesn't always mean something catastrophic, but it does mean your car is trying to tell you something important. As a mechanic, I've seen this light confuse a lot of drivers, so let's break it down in plain English. What check gauges actually means. The check gauge's light is not a single problem warning like check engine. Instead, it's your car's way of saying, hey, one of my important meters or sensors is reading outside of the normal range, take a look. In other words, this light comes on when one or more of your dashboard gauges like oil pressure, coolant temperature, battery voltage, and/or fuel level shows a reading that's too high, too low, or otherwise abnormal. For example, your oil pressure gauge might drop too low. The temperature gauge could show your engine is overheating. The voltage gauge may dip, meaning your alternator isn't charging the battery. In rare cases, a fuel gauge issue could also trigger it. Basically, it's a general alert telling you to glance at your dashboard and see which gauge looks off. What happens when the light comes on? When the check gauge's light comes on, you'll usually notice one of your gauges reading in the red or showing something unusual. For example, if your oil pressure needle drops suddenly, it could mean your engine isn't getting enough oil, and that's something you want to handle immediately. If your temperature gauge spikes, your engine might be overheating. Unlike a check engine light which stores diagnostic codes and may relate to emissions, the check gauge's light is real-time feedback. It's mechanical or electrical data straight from your sensors. Think of it like your car's dashboard assistant, warning you before a minor problem becomes a major one. Now, let's go over the usual suspects that make this light appear. Low oil pressure. This is one of the most common and serious causes. When oil pressure drops, your engine isn't being properly lubricated. If ignored, this can cause severe engine damage within minutes. Reasons for low oil pressure include low oil level, oil pump problems, worn-out bearings or internal engine wear, faulty oil pressure sensor. If your oil pressure gauge reads low, shut the engine off immediately and check your oil level once the car cools down. Engine overheating. If the temperature gauge climbs toward the red, the check gauge's light will often come on. Possible reasons include low coolant, stuck thermostat, broken radiator fan, faulty water pump. Driving with an overheating engine can warp your cylinder head or blow a gasket, so stop driving and let it cool down. Battery or charging issues. If your voltage gauge reads too low below 12 volts while the engine is running, your alternator might not be charging properly. Other causes: loose or corroded battery cables, failing alternator or voltage regulator, worn-out serpentine belt. When voltage drops too much, your car can eventually stall because it's running off the battery alone. Fuel system or other sensors. Occasionally, a stuck fuel gauge or malfunctioning sender unit can confuse your dashboard, though this is less common. In older vehicles, a bad ground connection in the instrument cluster can also trigger a false check gauge's warning. What to do when you see the check gauge's light? First, don't panic. The light doesn't mean instant disaster. It means pay attention. Here's the step-by-step approach I recommend to my customers. Look at your dashboard. Identify which gauge is out of range. Oil pressure, temperature, voltage. If the oil pressure or temperature gauge looks bad, pull over right away. Driving even a few more minutes could damage your engine. If it's voltage related, you might be able to drive to a nearby shop, but turn off unnecessary electronics to save power. Check your fluids. Once the engine is cool, open the hood and check oil and coolant levels. Top up if needed. Restart and observe. Sometimes a temporary sensor glitch can trigger the light. If it comes back immediately, don't ignore it. Get it checked. If everything looks normal on the gauges but the light stays on, the issue might be electrical, such as a bad sensor, a short in the wiring, or a faulty gauge cluster. How a mechanic diagnoses it. When you bring your car in, the first thing I'll do is check the basics: oil, coolant, battery voltage, and then hook up a diagnostic tool to read sensor data. We'll look at live readings from oil pressure, coolant temp, and voltage sensors. Condition of the alternator and battery. Any stored trouble codes in the ECU, in case the check engine light is also involved. Sometimes, the fix is as simple as replacing a $20 oil pressure switch or tightening a loose alternator belt. Other times, it's more serious, like an oil pump or head gasket issue. Final thoughts. The check gauge's light isn't something to fear. It's your car's way of saying, something doesn't look right, please check me. It doesn't point to a single issue, but it always deserves attention. If you catch the problem early, it could save you thousands in repairs and prevent you from being stranded on the side of the road. So the next time that light comes on, remember, take a quick look at your gauges, pull over if necessary, and treat it like your car's built-in safety alert, because that's exactly what it is.